You are outstanding. Everything you touch literally turns into gold. People are in awe of you. People just want to learn. How do you do it? How come you're so great? And to you, you just have faith. To you, you're just being you. People want to know, how did you get this partner? Some of you are in a romantic connection that seems otherworldly. Maybe this individual that you're with is off limit for whatever reason. For some of you, this could be an eligible bachelor or bachelorette that was more focused on their career, wasn't interested in romance or love. But the two of you share something that is one of a kind. You both share the same frequency. You're both highly evolved beings, light workers in some cases. You both have strong boundaries, is what I'm hearing. That's why in the past, no one felt like they could date any of you. And you both have powerful auras. It's like you recognize yourself in each other. You are the male and female version of each other. There's a lot of mutual respect, unspoken loyalty and love, devotion, harmony. Not only are you best friends, you actually like each other outside of the connection. And people feel like this relationship is outstanding. People may want a relationship like this, may want a marriage like this, but it's off limits. You have a lot of boundaries and people want to learn you. They want to know how you keep so private. You know how to socialize and you know how to take your energy back. You are aware that people could be trying to compete with you. And in the past, there was a lot of people overtly, openly trying to compete with you, only leading to their own demise. The Five of Cups. Many people try to compete with you in workspaces, trying to outdo you, feeling like you've got too much energy, feeling like you're showing them up. You're just doing you. You're highly energized. You may have been this way since you were a child. And the thing is with you, you always compete with yourself. So these individuals trying to compete with you, they end up feeling drained. They give up because you're always on to the next thing. You're not watching what this one's doing and that one's doing. You have your own goals. You have your own things that you want to achieve, and it doesn't concern these individuals that want to compete with you. You have people that may try to compete with you in regards to romance, which you thought was strange because you have this notion of what is for me is for me. But unfortunately, in some cases, some people feel like if they can take something away from you, a friend, especially a romantic partner, then they have taken you down. You see, people put you on a high pedestal. And for some of you, unfortunately, it could be your mother or a feminine mother-like figure, an elder sibling or something of that sort. You know, this individual, even if they are of a different gender, they can still be jealous of you because they feel like they should be seen as the matriarch. They should be seen as the leader, the one that everyone looks up to. They feel like they don't have the same pull like you. They don't understand how you can be so graceful, so serene, so beautiful in your feminine energy if you're a female. But when you work with so much grit. You have a healthy balance of your masculine and feminine energy, and they can't work you out. You set standards for yourself and goals, and you smash them each and every time. You are your own inner cheerleader, as well as spirit. People are finding out that they cannot compete because they will never compare. Some of you could be athletes, and many people have tried you. Literally, obviously, when you're an athlete, you have many competitors, but people are learning now that you're in your own lane. They need to leave you alone. If you do any type of combat sport, you may find that people are changing their weight category. They don't want to fight you. They're either going up in category or they're going down. Why is that, I wonder? People study you. They want to learn you. They want to learn your mind, but there's a cool detachment. You had to learn to have boundaries the hard way. You were forced to heal because of the betrayal from others who pretended to be friends, but they were secretly in competition with you. They were secretly trying to destiny swap with you. They were latching onto your energy to gain your blessings, and you are unstoppable. You are so focused. You have the determination, the talent, the skill, the strength to go after what you want. And you are so family orientated. You do what you do for family. Whether these family members are related or they are friends that are like family. And because of your determination, you are excelling in the business world, or you will. You will expand in your business. You will expand at work. Don't be surprised by ending of July moving forward that you don't get a pay rise or some type of recognition for your hard work, or your business exceeds all expectations. You see, the more you heal, the more blessings you will receive. The more you focus on self, the more balanced you will be. You're not about the gossip and the drama. Yeah, you may laugh and joke sometimes, but then you get back to work. You do what's right. You treat people the way you want to be treated. People want to understand you. How come you're gaining all these blessings? How come you're so abundant? My darling, you are walking abundance. You may have left people behind that you felt were like family. Some of you did actually leave some toxic family members behind because you realized these people didn't want you to win. They wanted to hide you. They wanted you to stay unhealed. They didn't want you to step into the true leadership position that you are now in, or that you will be in. They wanted to keep you small, but Spirit said, not on my watch. You've closed out a cycle. You are self-made. Everything that you've got was not handed to you. You had to walk away to win. And you still maintain love. You still maintain heart. You have so much passion, so much soul. The energy that you pour into your creativity, the energy that you pour into your family, your relationship, your romantic partner is felt. You are outstanding. You are the standard. Who are you?